Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. We're here today, well this morning, with a small mukbang. Now originally I wouldn't have been up this early. I usually get up to take my son to preschool, but today it's raining so hard and I hope it don't interfere in the video, but I just wanted to keep the door open because I just love to hear the rain. I'm just happy that we're getting some. So I'm like, since it's raining so hard, let me keep my son home today. I'm like, do you want to go to school? He was like, I want to go to school. And I'm like, it's raining, Shine. He said, I want to go to school in the rain. And he started singing this song, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees. And he was like, I want to go to school to sing my song. I'm like, what can I say? Like, let me get up and take my baby to school. So doing that, I'm like, let me stop and get some food. So what I did get was some Krispy Kremes. And it reminds me of when I used to drive the bus. I drove like a 40-foot bus for about 18 years. And it was this high school. He was in the 12th grade on a wrestling team and everything. He was like gigantic. But he kind of seemed like he had like a little, like he was a little tad bit, what should I say? Wasn't all there. So when we passed by Krispy Kreme, he was like, bus driver, Kippy King, bus driver, you ever been to Kippy King? And I'm looking at him because he in the 12th grade. I'm like, boy, that's Krispy Kreme. He was like, Kippy King. But anyways, let's get to it. Oh, this is a little free donut they give you.
So we're going to eat the donuts before we eat the food?
No, I'm just showing. This is what I want to show first, boo. This is my little free donut that they gave me.
Okay, you guys. So
hold on, let me show them.
I call dibs on that one.
You call dibs on the chocolate, and I got it for you. Let me bend this back. Y'all.
Ooh, the sugar ones looks really good.
Y'all, look at this. Look at this, y'all. So let me tell y'all what we got. That one right there is the New York cheesecake. Now that's mine because that one is bomb. And then I have 2 sugar donuts, and I have 2 glazed with the chocolate for my daughter just in case she wanted them. Then I have some regular glaze for my mom. She's supposed to be coming over, but she taking forever, so we're not gonna wait on her.
When they're cold, you're supposed to microwave them for 8 seconds.
Yeah, so we're gonna put this to the side for now. And I got Chick-fil-A. You're coming to my face.
He was coming up my face with his
Guys, just calm down. Got that ketchup. Got that Chick-fil-A sauce. Ooh, that Chick-fil-A sauce. 2 of those. And I got some honey mustard. When I go, I've been to Chick-fil-A maybe 4 times. Stop shaking, rocking the table. I've been to Chick-fil-A maybe 4 times.
This is mine.
And I usually just get their biscuit chicken. Hold on, Kai. I'll take it out and distribute it out. It should be done. I usually get just the chicken biscuit. But today, I got the chicken biscuit with egg and cheese on it. So, that's what I'm going to be having. And some hash browns. And I got, let me sit it out. Let's see here. Look at here, look at here. Ooh, boy, look at here. We up early today. We up early in the morning, breath stinking as we yawning. You know your breath stink. Don't even fake the phone. You know your breath on hum. Got the little ketchup packets. That strawberry jelly, that young strawberry jellies. Set these over here. And so what my daughter has, she has a sausage McMuffin with egg and a hash brown. And I got my mom a sausage biscuit with egg and a hash brown. So since she's taking forever, we're gonna get started. Mickey D, the young Mickey D.
Look at this hash brown, you guys.
Can you stop shaking the table?
I'm not shaking.
Yeah, you are. You're pushing it back and forth.
I'll give on the first one.
She's getting on my nerves. Okay. Don't do too much. Took her out. She went to eat with us. We went shopping yesterday. We went to Kohl's, Walmart, and a few places, and she in the restaurant just acting crazy and making my mom mad. Like, Kai, you're 10 years old. Stop acting like that when you're out. It's okay to laugh and giggle and play sometimes, but like my mom say, you're doing it too much. Do you want ketchup for your hash brown?
Who's this?
I don't want you to tear it. Oh, that's Granny's. I don't want to get ketchup everywhere. Hold on. You know when you got these
Wait,
these nails. Oh no, we could peel it from here. We got these nails on.
what time is Sparrow coming?
Oh, the baby will be here today. I think his mom have to be at work at maybe 3, 4 today. So he should be getting dropped off maybe between 2 and 2:30. That little baby coming. So how's everybody doing this lovely morning? Everybody up, getting ready for work, going to make that dollar, going to make them dollars, going to make that little change. Can you just pick it up and dip it? Stop rocking the table so much. Like, oh my God, can you comprehend that? Like in the other video, the table just rocking, just rocking.
The hash brown was good.
So this one here, she stayed home today. Yesterday she stayed home. No, do not mess with her hash brown. She stayed home because she had a fever. Well, it's been 7 minutes. We ain't even started eating. Girl, ain't nobody gonna watch this video. They like, y'all take too long to get to it. But I was showing y'all the stuff. If you fast forward to this point, I was showing you the stuff. Oh my God. I don't have to be perfect. Let me just get it like that. Are you gonna show me Egg McMuffin? I know they hear me saying the same thing to you in every video. No. God. I'm gonna stop having her in them because she act like she don't want to do what's right just to do it. Like this. You're like, okay, what is that showing? Oh. Ooh, look at that chicken. Smoking.
Just listen to the rain, y'all. Listen to the rain. It's raining so hard.
Get your foot off the table, please. You're still rocking it. Not that you care, but I think all you want to do is eat.
I finished watching the bad scene, so it ended up her dad died.
Yeah, I did know that because I watched it. I wasn't going to tell you what happened in the show.
First, she tried to kill her dad, and then the police came in and shot the dad because she was acting like her dad was trying to kill her.
She was very manipulative. That's what it is. She talking about a show that's called The Bad Seed. When the daughter...
I picked it up. You guys saw that.
The daughter was a good manipulator. And all she wanted to do was cause harm to people.
And then her babysitter, she locked her in the house to study a fire.
But she locked her
In the garage.
in the green room or a garage. See how I dip it? I'm not rocking the table.
And then she ran in the room after the fire happened. And then she busted one over her hand through the glass, and then her hand hurt, and then she caught on fire.
Is your nose stopped up? Or you keep doing that, all that? Kai, I don't want to hear all that. All that. Girl, get it together. Put a little strawberry jelly on there. Here, get a bite with that strawberry jelly.
I'll be right back. Sorry guys. It's an emergency.
Yeah.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
At the top of the wall, but is it dripping?
Yeah.
Oh, get the thing.
Where is it? I was like, what's that noise? Sorry guys. Sorry. I'm trying to help you out.
You'll leave piece of chicken and dip it in that Chick-fil-A sauce. What time is it? Mm, 9:40. 9:49. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I like these little tater tots. I need some juice or something. And some water. Give me any of that water, please. That's the Voss.
You should have drank any juice because it's gonna take the donut taste away.
Oh. I took my mom to Target yesterday. And like I tell you, you ain't planning on spending that much money, you can't go into stores like Target because they have too much. It's too much temptation, boo. They have too many nice things where you just like grabbing stuff. And I'm like, I can't be spending money like that. That's my own personal money working. Yeah, I'm not gonna get any YouTube money where I can just splurge because I got it like that. I mean, I'm not doing bad, but still, I don't want to be spending $200 and $300 when I take a trip to Target. You
Are
know?
those tater tots?
Or half pound. Hi.
Oh, sorry.
Just ask me to pass it to you. That's all you have to do.
Okay.
Stop shaking the table, please. Look. She really helping clear off the table because it's something she wants. Y'all know what that is, right?
No.
Them young donuts.
I just don't want to clean up after the video.
No, you ready to get ready down with them donuts.
No, because I don't want to clean up after the video.
Usually she'll move nothing out the way. I have to like beg her, like, can you help me? Can you help me like just set the table up for the video?
Are you done with your tater tots?
Well, I guess I gotta be done. You didn't took the ketchup.
Sorry about that.
Look at her. Sugar fit.
Chop back there.
That was yummy, yummy, delicioso. Delicioso, delicioso.
So, you been doing this time for?
Something else. Just help you out to the max when there's something in it for you. Give y'all another look. Trickle down.
I'm gonna try
I think
this
I
one
want it.
first.
That's sugar donut. Do you want it? That's just a donut with sugar on it.
I'm gonna try this one first, you guys.
I'm gonna eat
Sugar donut.
the New York cheesecake.
Okay.
New York. Oh, I want to warm it up though.
I don't really like that one because the stuff it has inside has like some lemony.
That's like cream cheese and inside and cream cheese, and I'm sure it's made with some type of sour
Are
cream.
you ready to try it? Cheers.
Mmm.
It's just like a regular donut with sugar.
Mmm.
Good.
That's who I spilled some fire in my hair.
It's really good.
Yeah. Mmm.
There's a lot of like, they put like a lot of extra sugar in the back, just like chucked
Look.
up together. And very
See
sugar.
that feeling? Oh, that creamy cheesecake feeling. Mm. You don't like these because of the feeling, or just because how it looked?
The
Like
feeling.
the feeling is bomb. You like cheesecake though, right? She like cheesecake, but she's scared she don't like cheese. Mm.
Oh,
We'll eat that later. What, you want chocolate on now?
I'm gonna try a glazed one.
Okay. Oh, look.
So here's how the glaze looks. It looks very glazy. And
And
guess what?
shiny.
Fun fact. The little boy that's usually in our videos, his last name is Glaze. Sean Glaze.
That's why sometimes they be like, what's his name? I say Sean Glaze. Oh, you spelling it? How do you spell it? I'm like, Sean Glaze like the donut.
This is sweet.
And then they start laughing. Yeah, I can't eat too much sweet.
This is sweet.
But it's best, this dozen, they be killing you with them prices though, because this was with tax and all $11.99. So pretty much, while y'all sitting there saying $11.99, that's $12. $12.
This is making me full.
And I'm saying, I really only wanted maybe 2 of these. One, I'll eat one today and one tomorrow. And I'm like, well, how much will 6 donuts be? Because we don't want that many donuts. And she was like, 6 donuts is like 10 something. $10.97. I'm like, $10.97? $10.99? Are you out of your mind? And she was like, yeah. And I'm like, well, you might as well get the dozen for $8.99. I mean, right? So I'm like, just give me the dozen. And then I just got the 2 sugar donuts, 2 chocolate glaze, and 2 New York cheesecakes, and then the rest regular glaze.
I like how these look because, like, in person they make it look like it's like the chocolate's painted on. Like, it looks like the chocolate's just like painted on.
And it's smooth. It's like, and it's hard.
Like,
On the window they have it, but it's seasonal. Well, they'll have one like this, but it'll be like the glaze like this one, but it'll be like all glaze up to this point and down, and then just that top layer will be the chocolate on top. I know my mom gonna have a fit when she get over here and see these, because she love donuts. She loves sweet stuff.
You guys,
I'm about to close this up. Y'all see I ate one, and I didn't even finish because, honey, I can't do it like that. I can't do it like that. I
I'm not
can't
even
do
a
it
big
like
fan
that.
of chocolate candy. I like candy, but it's not chocolate candy.
So anyways, y'all, we're gonna go end this video. It's early. I hope everybody have a prosperous day. Get out, get to work, make that money so you can pay them bills, pay them near that young bill, take care of your kids, your family, and all that, and be blessed. So until then, hit that like button.
Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye, y'all.